In today's video, I am going to teach you how to embed Constant Contact sign-up form. To begin, sign in to your Constant Contact account and go to the main dashboard. You will be working in the area where Constant Contact manages ways people can join your email list. First, look for the section called Channels and click Sign Up Forms. This is where you can view existing forms and create new ones for your website. Once you are on the Sign Up Forms page, click Create Sign Up Form. This starts the setup process and opens the form builder. Next, you will choose the form type. If you want the form to sit directly on a page, like on a home page or contact page, select an inline form. This option is designed specifically for embedding. If you prefer a form that appears automatically, such as after a visitor has been on the site for a short time, choose a pop-up form. The type you choose affects how people experience the sign-up process, so select the one that fits your site and your goal. After that, customize your form content and settings. In the content area, add a clear title and short description that tells visitors what they are signing up for. Then choose the fields you want to collect, such as a first name and email address. Keep the form simple so it is quick to complete. In settings, adjust options like timing for pop-ups and which devices the form should appear on. For example, you may want to limit pop-ups on mobile if space is tight. Now select the email list where new signups will be added. This step is important because it determines where the contacts go in your account. Make sure you choose the list that matches the purpose of the form, like a newsletter list or a specific campaign list. When everything looks right, click Publish. Constant Contact will generate the code or link you need. For an inline form, you will typically copy the embed code. For other types, you may use a provided link or installation option. Finally, take that embed code and place it on your website in the section where you want the form to appear. Save or update the page, then preview your site to confirm the form displays correctly and matches your design. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.